Besties, let me show you how I styled this bomb fit, girl. Girl, glasses make your outfit pops, girl. Please, if you ever want your outfit to pop, stand out, girl, glasses is the way to go. Like, look how the glasses make my outfit pop, bestie. Like, look at that. Like, period. And then, girl, jewelry is key too, girl. I used my pearl, like, necklace because I thought that necklace would go cute with that, girl. And that necklace came from Shein for only $3, girl. And it's making, and like, details, girl. Like, details, if you ever want your outfit to pop, girl, please add some type of detail. So then I took my little chain and had it on the side because that was the picture inspo from Pinterest. But of course I had to add my little like razzle dazzle because what, girl? And then make sure you taking your bomb pictures, best. Last 2 things. When I tell you adding a bag to any outfit literally makes your outfit pop. Now that was the inspo, and this how we did. Like mine is way better here too, but girl, look at this, like full 360. Like you can see, we got the glasses, we got the jewelry on, we got the shoes on, and we did the best.